central philosophy for me is to do right by the client. That involves a lot of different things. Being responsive to the client is the first thing. So when my clients give me a phone call, my goal is to always at least return the phone call by the end of the day. That makes the client feel like they are being heard, even if we're working really hard on the case. They don't get to see all the time what all is being done. So when we pay the client attention, I think that's an important part of being their representative. Doing right by the client, of course, means working hard, but sometimes it means telling the hard truths as well. Oftentimes, things don't go the way we want them to within the case, and it's important to be upfront and honest with the client when that happens. But finally, at the end of the day, what we want to do in every case is achieve a good result for the client. And if we're able to obtain the compensation that the client deserves or some other preferable result, then that is the ultimate goal in doing right by the client. Sure. Well, a great example is in the last 10 days, I've had 3 different continuing legal education seminars, 2 of which were at the South Carolina Bar Convention this past weekend, and 1 of which was at the University of South Carolina Law School. It's time-consuming to engage in those sorts of seminars and presentations, but it's rewarding both in that I'm able to make new friends within the profession and educate other lawyers and educate myself even more as I'm preparing for those types of presentations. I also enjoy writing for our attorney's trade bulletin, which is called, the South Carolina Association for Justice Bulletin. And I've edited that magazine for several years as well. It's not necessarily something that drives a lot of business our way. I think it does from time to time, but it's very rewarding for me academically.